Hey, it's Still Food Reviews. We here sitting in the parking lot. Now we got this from Adam, from a friend at work. Oh yeah, brings a snack to try. Oh yeah, knew I liked food. And this is from Nature Valley. Sweet and salty. Roasted mixed nut with peanuts, cashew, and almonds. Dipped in mixed nut butter, coating, bursting with peanuts, cashews, and almonds. Now look at that beard. They don't have one of those Marty tripods. Marty pods. So I have to use the stir pot. Now these are good for when you go in the gym and fiber and stuff. Oh yeah. We ain't driving. I'd like to shout out a couple channels. Thestrangevision, Marty, with Marty Kauffman and Jason Callan. So if you know them, I'll try to put their link in the description. Oh, am I talking like that? Here we go. Oh! Dang, gas is still $2.89. What in the world? I got free gas. Just stinks. I got something in my beard. Ain't no bugs or nothing. Dang, this thing good. Better than candy bar, and it's healthy for you. Get that fiber. So if you're doing like marathons or something, you have one of these farting in competition and they go boom and they win. Remember, like, I'm giving this thing right here. Ain't perfect. It's a little like a payday, but better. I'm gonna give it a 9.1 out of 10. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, stay tuned for more. Oh yeah. It's almost Friday. Whoa.
Thanks for watching Show Food Reviews and more. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Woo! Oh, hell! Oh!